we're gonna do. Yeah.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti today and I am back with another video. Today, you know what I'm saying, I just did a cute little like blue liner moment. Did a really neutral eye with a cut crease that is also very neutral, you know what I'm saying, because I really just wanted to let the liner have its moment and do its own thing. So yeah, we're just gonna get into the video. Okay, so I already primed and I used my NYX Hydro Touch. I just felt like, you know, at this point it's a step that I've done so many times, so what's the point? So what's the point of like putting it on there, because at this point y'all already know the deal. I use it like dang near every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and color correct. I'm going to use my NYX little palette, and that's how this gonna go down, you dig? I'm just gonna go around my chin like I always do. And I need to go to the store today to get some almond and some coconut milk, because regular cow milk, well, anything dairy, it breaks me out on my forehead, and now I got a little sucker coming in right there and it's really pissing me off. But I ran out of my almond and coconut milk, and I have been having to drink whole milk because I put milk in my lattes. So I've been having to use whole milk instead, and it's just not going well for you girls. So I gotta go to Walmart today and they better have it in stock. If they don't have it in stock, I'm going to be livid. This is the foundation combination that I'm using today. Not even combination, because I'm using Nars, and I'm so sorry about my beauty light. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I think y'all can. But I'm using this Nars and I'm putting some primer oil from Smashbox in it. The thing is, I think I'm almost out of this foundation, and that is going to hurt me because that is the last thing I need right now. I really do have to go to the store to get this milk because my skin is not acting how I need it to act. I don't know what day, what quarantine day this is. Is this like 100? I don't know what day it is. I know everybody is on a different day because some people started sooner than some. I think everybody started at a different time. Some people ain't even start, honey. Okay, I obviously went off camera and I completed one eye, so we just gonna move on into the next one, okay? Save us some time. I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer as an eye base, and this is in the number 6. Today I'll be working out of the MacBook by Crayon case, and yeah, let's get started, hun. Let me see what I want to do. So first I'll be picking up this color using a Sephora brush number 19, and I'm gonna pat it in and then I'll blend at the same time. And this is just my transition shade today that I will be using. The eye is going to be really neutral so that blue liner can really pop. I just wanted it to be, I wanted the eye look to be really neutral, and I just wanted to do some graphic liner today because I don't do like colored eyeliner. Now to actually go in and cut the crease, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's more of a liquid. I didn't want to keep putting that ABH concealer down because it is a cream, which makes it a little thicker than most, and I didn't want to keep packing that on my lid. So this is what I'm going to use to cut the crease. And I just look straight ahead to cut my crease because I go a little bit above my crease because I like for you to be able to see my cut crease while I'm looking straight at you, not when I look down. Okay, so we have our crease is cut, honey. So on top of that, I'm just going to take this shade right here to go ahead and set it. Nothing too much, you know what I'm saying? Just gonna go right on top of that like that, and that's really it. Now we're just gonna start this blue liner, honey, and to do that I am taking this shade right here, going in with just a regular angled brush. You could use whichever angled brush works for you. Honestly, it's no biggie. That one's already done over there, and so is this one. Going in with my Sephora collection Lash Crafts Big Volume Mascara, and I'm going to put this on before I do lashes. Alright, going to do my lashes off camera. I'm taking Anna from Lily's Lash Line. Going to go on with my Fenty Beauty Concealer. I'm just going to finish the rest of this face, you dig? Real quick, like, and this is in the shade 370. I'm gonna work section by section because this one dries down quick on me. So this self-quarantine, the self-quarantine isn't a big deal for me because this is just what I would be doing anyway. So I'm not like losing my mind. A lot of people, like I see a lot of posts comparing the introverts to the extroverts. And for some reason, my family, who am I lying? That's not me. Like, I can't just go to anybody and just start talking. And I just don't feel like I make friends easily. I feel like I attract people easily. Like, a lot of people are drawn to me, and maybe that's why well, that's usually how I make friends, because people are drawn to me and they initiate it. But I don't go out of my way and just start randomly talking to someone. I'm not like that at all. I stick to myself, and that's it. Even when like people approach me and just start talking to me, like I talk back. I know how to hold the conversation, but you know, you really have to initiate it, and you have to know how to carry it. The minute you stop talking, I'm gonna stop talking too, and I'm standoffish. So I don't know. My family don't know what they're talking about. I think they said because I actually, like, I enjoy doing things. Like, when I have people to do things with, like, I like going out and enjoying myself and having fun. So maybe that's what they said. I don't know. I do not know. I feel like I'm not. They feel like I am. So who knows? I know, because it's me. How about that one? Because it's me, boo. I love this powder because it's not that matte. But this powder is just, I feel like it has this nice blurring effect to it. It's just so beautiful. Y'all know this is one of my faves. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to cream contour today. I think I'm only going to do my cheeks though. Like, I'm not going to do anywhere else but my cheekbones. And that's it. I just love cream contouring sometimes, especially if I'm taking pictures. I just feel like sometimes just bronzing with powder can look a little washed out in pictures. It doesn't show up like I need it to. So when I'm taking pictures, I really love to go on with a cream. Sometimes I'm lazy. Like lately, I haven't been cream contouring. I've just been using regular powder bronzer. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty, and we just gonna bronze it up. You know what I'm saying? I think this has become my new fave step over concealer, because y'all know I love concealing because it does wonders, and then you start to see it coming together. But bronzer has become like my fave. Like the good thing with Fenty Beauty is I just really feel like this is perfect for like building up the products. Taking my Juvia's Place Blush Palette Volume 2, I will be mixing these two. It's beautiful, right? Oh, it's so beautiful. I just love this stuff. I love blush. Like, I just love blush so much. It just, this is also something I cannot go without. Y'all know I love a good blush, honey. I'm gonna set with my Sephora powder. This is the Micro Smooth. It's from the Sephora collection, by the way. I got this like a minute ago, honestly. I had got this and I started using it because Alyssa, Ashley, and Arnell raves about it. Like, raves. Now I'm just gonna brighten my under eye with the Dragun Beauty Transformation Powder. Y'all know I love this stuff. Like, getting this honestly was like a really smart purchase of mine. It just works wonders. Look at my under eye. Wow. Okay, we back. I was like, what is going on? Like, I was really lost for a second, but I am going to line with this NYX eyeliner in the shade Azure, and then I'm gonna go right under it with the blue liner in the shade Sunrise Blue. Well, they're both blue. One's a light blue and one's a dark blue. And then to smoke it out and create the extended wing on the bottom, I'm going to take that same blue color from the Crayon case, and you know what I'm saying, that's how we're going to get the job done. So now for lips, I am going to line with Chestnut from MAC, and then I'm going to go on top of that with Mented lipstick in the shade Nude Lala. Gonna go in with the Crayon case highlighter. That's what I'm gonna use to highlight today. I almost forgot, because when do I do highlighter last? Like, I never do highlighter last. Alright guys, so that completes today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this little look. I hope y'all like it. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.